Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off Motorola Edge 50 Neo. So here is my phone, Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and to turn off this phone, if you push it long on the power button like this, you will see that Google Assistant appears. Okay, and the question is how to turn off this phone. So to do it, you need to push it long, volume up button and power button like this. And from here, you can select power off, restart or emergency. Okay. Also, we have an easy way to turn off this phone, and for that, just go to settings and here go down and tap on gestures. And here we have press and hold power button. Just tap on it. And now it's selected digital assistant, but you can select power menu and now exit. And to turn off your phone, now just push it long on the power button and that's all. And from here, select whatever you want, power off or restart, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.